In the Old Testament, we have passages in Isaiah, in Jeremiah, and Ezekiel, and Zechariah, speaking about the events which will take place before the day of the Lord, which is the same event actually as the second coming of Jesus in the New Testament. Speaks about times of trouble coming. Jesus spoke about it clearly in Matthew 24, Mark 13, Luke 21, the Olivet Discourse, spoken about in much of the epistles, particularly in the Thessalonians, in 2 Timothy, in Titus, in 2 Peter, and other scriptures, and is the subject of most of the book of Revelation. So there's a huge amount of scripture which tells us about this subject, and which should be this concern of many Christians as we see the events taking place. 3 major things, according to the scriptures, are going to happen: the rapture of the church, time of tribulation, and the physical return of Jesus to the earth, and the setting up of the millennial kingdom. We can debate the order of those events taking place, but they will happen. And we have the signs which are given that these are going to take place. And they're going to be something which not just we will see, but also the world is going to see. In Luke 21, Jesus says there'll be signs in the sun, in the moon, and in the stars, on the earth, distress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring, men's hearts failing them from fear and the expectation of those things which are coming on the earth, for the powers of the heavens will be shaken. Then they will see the Son of Man coming on a cloud with power and great glory. Now when these things begin to happen, look up and lift up your heads, because your redemption draws near. So people in the world are going to see these things happening, and they're going to be fainting with fear for what is coming on the earth. The expectation of those things which are coming on the earth. And we can see already that people are afraid of what's coming on the earth. They have distress at what's taking place. Jesus speaks about the distress of nations with perplexity.